What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about, you guessed it, what's in my camera bag. Okay, maybe you didn't guess it, but we are gonna go over my camera bag today and why I chose this particular bag and what it does for me in terms of allowing me to stow my camera, my lenses, and all the other accessories that I need to shoot videos like these for you. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. For our philosophy on this channel, it's live with purpose. So, what is my purpose with this camera bag? First and foremost, I need a safe place for me to store my camera, my lenses, and all of my accessories. It's gotta be padded, it's gotta keep it from scratching, and I gotta make sure that everything is compartmentalized so that the cameras aren't bumping into the lenses, aren't bumping into the tripods, aren't bumping into all the other knickknacks and accessories that I might have in the bag. I don't really carry every possible piece of gear with me when I go shoot video. All I need is my core shooting camera, which I'm shooting on right now, and a handful of lenses and some accessories. I rarely find myself in a situation where I need a gimbal or a full-size rig or anything like that, so a compact size bag is perfect for me. All right, real quick, I'm gonna give y'all some context. When I first started shooting videos like these, all I would do is take the camera, run into the field, and start grabbing some video. When I found that I needed a few more pieces of kit, such as lenses or some accessories, I started using one of these. This is a foam insert by Coolertron. It's got dividers that I can move around using Velcro and it accommodated small, medium, and large accessories alike. The problem with this is that it wasn't a seamless experience. I would just put this at the bottom of a backpack, take that with me into the field. But I found that it was a little cumbersome because whenever I wanted to grab my camera, I didn't have quick access to it. I had to take the pack off, open it up, reach in, grab my camera. On top of that, whenever I did reach in for my camera, I often found myself taking the whole insert out. So I found myself pushing against this to grab my camera. Long story short, it was a very tough process and it wasn't really comfortable for me. Enter the Brevite Jumper. This is a compact camera bag by Brevite. This bag essentially meets all of the purposefully laid out criteria that I have in a good camera bag. Let's show you guys. The main reason why I went with the Brevite Jumper as my go-to all-in-one EDC camera bag is because it truly is my all-in-one. It's one part backpack complete with a primary compartment, an inner zip, front zip pocket, and a laptop sleeve to accommodate all of your EDC and productivity needs. It's also one part camera bag. If I crack this open right now, you'll find that there is a padded section within the bag that houses all of your camera gear and accessories. You'll find that these foam dividers are all removable and repositionable so that it can accommodate different loadouts depending on how you shoot. If I take out these last three accessories, I'll be able to squeeze in my camera accessory case. If you want to see a breakdown of what I keep inside that accessory case, I'll go ahead and link that video right over here. Now keep in mind that this is not a full-sized camera bag, so if you're a specialized photographer finding yourself using huge lenses or multiple bodies, this bag may not be for you. However, if you're creative and you find yourself using mainly only one camera body, a few lenses, and a pouch or two for accessories, this bag is more than capable. Now, what's cool about this bag is that there is also a side access pocket here that allows you to reach your camera in a hurry. Boom. Open up this side flap and you have instant access to your camera. If I wasn't shooting on this camera, I would definitely show you guys. All you gotta do is swing your bag around, not even take it off, unzip this little quick access pocket, and pull out your camera and start shooting. I love the fact that there is a quick access pocket here so that you don't have to take your backpack off, reach around, unzip the whole thing, reach into the bottom of your bag and grab your camera. Other cool features of the bag include a side pocket here for either a water bottle or a tripod. What's cool is there's a little strap here that easily unhooks, as I struggle with it. It easily unhooks so that if you have something longer, like an actual tripod that goes up to here, a Joby Gorilla Pod, or if you had a water bottle that comes a little higher, you can strap it down to make sure it's extra secure. There's also a few travel features such as a hidden passport pocket here to be concealed and a little ninja about it. And there's also a suitcase drop through so that you can slide your backpack onto your suitcase handle as you're zooming through your local airport. One thing I forgot to note is that there are straps on the bottom side as well. here, and here, and they're adjustable. If you wanted to pack your water bottle in the side pocket here, you can stow your tripod or Joby Gorilla Pod down below. What's dope is that if I find myself doing sort of a hybrid day where part of the day I need my everyday carry productivity tools and another part of the day where I need my creative tools like my camera and my lenses, this bag can accommodate both sets of tools in a compact form factor. It doesn't force you to throw your camera and other sensitive hardware into your everyday carry bag that might not have the specialized padding that you might want for that type of gear. And on the flip side, it doesn't force you to throw your laptop and everyday carry productivity tools into an over-spec'd and full-size camera bag that might be overkill for one day of mixed use. Today's fizzy drink is the Waterloo Strawberry Sparkling Water. Why is it so good? And why are all fizzy drinks so good? Who knows? Alright, all in all, the Brevite Jumper is a dope camera bag that really checks off all the boxes that I needed to for a good camera bag. Brevite, y'all killed it on this one. I love this bag, and I definitely would recommend it to any creative that has an essential core kit that they want to take into the field. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and got something useful out of it. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell to be notified whenever I release new content on everyday carry, gear, and adventure. Until next time, y'all, live with purpose, and I'll see you guys. Peace.